How to clean and sanitize crockery.
Chemicals and equipment used. 1. Liquid soap. 2. Sanitizer dilution with bucket. 3. Cleaning sponge. 4. Hand glove. 5. Wipe tissue. Procedures and how-to. 1. Use hand glove. Before start to clean and sanitize the crockery, roommate need to wear hand glove first to avoid contamination. 2. Use special glass sponge. 1. Prepare special glass sponge to clean the crockery, don't use this sponge for other purpose. 2. Spray liquid soap chemicals into sponge and rub into the crockery, inside and outside part. Rinse with water. Rinse crockery with tap water until it clean. 4. Sanitize the crockery. Sanitize crockery inside the sanitizer dilution, 200 ppm, for 1 minute. Wipe with tissue. Wipe with special tissue to keep it hygiene until dry. 6. Set up back the crockery. Set up back the crockery based on the standard setup in the rooms. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Housekeeping Monitor channel.